This BMW E46 was my first track car, but now I am turning it into a drift car. And the reason is because I want to learn real car control before I start pushing my 335. So today I want to explain why this car is about to become my drift learning car. Hey guys, welcome to Lobos Entertainment. My name is Ricardo and today we are about to talk about why I'm turning my E46 BMW to a drift car. So let's get started. So my Audi A3, that car is all-wheel drive, it has a lot of grip, and it will bring your confidence this high, like confidence all day, like you feel unstoppable driving that car. And it has a lot of grip with all four-wheel drive. Well, it is all decks, but give and take. Once the all-wheel drive kicks in, it's great. So then you have the BMW E92. It's rear-wheel drive, it got a lot of street power, actually got a lot of power in general, and it got grip too. And my BMW 535 E60 single turbo is at the body shop right now, but the car that really started my my track journey is the E46 BMW. This was actually my first track car, and it's the car that actually got me interested in performance driving, and you quickly learn how a car behaves when you're kind of pushing it at its limit. When you start doing track driving, there is a hunk difference between driving fast and actually understanding car control, and that's something I want to improve. Driving the Audi A3 gave me a lot of confidence because of the all-wheel drive system. You keep the car very stable, but the rear-wheel drive car is different. When the rear of the car step out on you, you have to know car control, car input, the throttle, and trying to keep the car balanced. A lot of people think drifting is just about going sideways and making a lot of smoke, but in reality, it's learning how to manage car control. You learn how to control oversteer, you learn how the throttle affect the balance of the car, and when the rear end starts sliding on you. Instead of learning the limits of my 335 BMW and potentially send it into the wall, I decided I'm going to use the BMW E46 as my platform of learning. This car is great for drifting and it's relatively cheap to find parts, so it's perfect for practicing. So here's the plan. This isn't going to be a professional crazy drift car. It's just going to be simple setup just so I can learn how to control the car and learn drifting a bit. And I can safely practice and improve my driving skills. The bigger goal is basically once I learn car control and throttle and how to manage oversteer, then I can transfer all that skills and maximize my skill set with the BMW 335, because that car is very powerful. So, you know, I want to make sure I know what I'm doing before I actually can push a car to the limit, because it is a very expensive car. So this is going to be a small drift build series for the E46. So we're going to be installing parts, making a lot of mistakes, and hopefully overall improve my skills, and we all have fun watching me fail. No, sorry. We all have fun watching me improve, and hopefully we can transfer that skill over. Honestly guys, I'm super excited about this build. I can't wait to start learning how to drift, learning car control, and becoming a better driver. Guys, let me know what you guys think. Would you guys turn your first track car to a drift car? If so, leave it down in the comment below. Anyway guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any question, leave it in the comment below, and I'm definitely will respond to it. Anyway guys, see y'all later.